Hello. Welcome to Market Flow. And I wanted to do a real quick talk. NIO. Currently, NIO is sitting at 37, and it was trying to get out of this downtrend right here. I'm looking right now at the 1 hour chart, and it was rejected yesterday, and then it had a how much downside? From the top to the bottom, it's 8%, which is pretty good for anyone who's looking to buy. Right now, this is what the pattern looks like. And it's looking very interesting because it's giving an opportunity for people who wants to go low to load on it. So there's a target somewhere down here about 30. I don't know if it's gonna go this low, but 35. I can see a target right here. But then at the same time, the indicator on the 1 hour looks oversold. My thought is that it may bounce from here. I'm sure there's a lot of people who bought, maybe institutions, after hours. So it can probably bounce over here and then do something like this. It sold, it touched the trend, it sold, and then it touched the trend, and then eventually it make its way all the way to the bottom of the trend. So my thought, since we're losing momentum on the 4 and the 1 day, we are probably gonna bounce back, and then we're gonna sell off to the bottom of the market of the trend. Now this is looking. This can be a pretty good trade for anyone who's looking to get long. I'm particularly looking to buy more shares whenever it gets to this point right here, and perhaps sell some put options in case we go all the way over here, and then I get to get some of that as well. So these are the two targets. If you bought here, be prepared maybe to buy more at the 34, 35 levels. Worst case scenario, 32. Let's look at the 1 day. So the 1 day shows that it has found support right above the 200 moving average, and then it's forming this flag. This flag can be known as a bearish flag because we have we're in a downtrend currently, but I really think that the fundamentals in the company are pretty strong, and then there's a lot of companies, institutions are behind it, and it looks like we tried to break, and we probably broke. Maybe we already broke the downtrend right here, and it's sitting right at this level. So even though on the 1 hour it looks like we may test the bottom here, if the stock gets too hot, it may never come back to these levels again. So if you bought here, this was a good opportunity to load on the stock long term. There is strong fundamentals on it. Let's see what it looks like here. NIO has, yeah, so this is the downtrend right here, and we're getting pretty close. We're getting pretty close. 35 should be support according to this computer. And I mean, there's a lot of upgrades daily. March 11, 60, 80, 80, 60. So when you buy NIO, you know you're not buying by yourself. There's a lot of institutions buying, so this is a good opportunity to load. This is not a... Thank you.